In this video, I'm going to talk about and give you updates along the way of my progress on taking on the carnivore diet. I'm going to do a 30-day carnivore diet. I saw this on Joe Rogan podcast when he had Jordan Peterson on. I'm going to start today. I'm going to show you a current weight, and every 10 days I'm going to come back and give you guys some updates. How I feel, what's going on. I'm not going to do any exercise because I feel like my energy level is going to be low while on this diet. It's just meat and eggs only. Fish, chicken, beef, pork, eggs, and water. Not going to be taking anything else for 30 days. Let's follow along in the video. Once we get to the end, we'll see the result and see how it worked for me. This is day 1 of the carnivore diet, 226.6 pounds. It's day 10 on the carnivore diet. I've got some notes here that I've been taking along the way. Give you a couple updates on how I feel, what I'm eating, and then I'll jump on the scale here in about a minute. So pretty much day 1 and 2, very easy to stick to the carnivore diet. 3, 4, and 5, I could tell you I wanted nothing more but some pizza and tacos. Just eating meat and fish was getting pretty bland and pretty boring. I did have a lot of craving for some pizza and tacos. Day 6 and 7, pretty much cravings kind of mellowed out. And what I mean by that is the pizza and taco cravings kind of went away. Pretty much cravings in general. I was kind of almost having to make myself eat. I didn't really feel hungry really at all on day 6 and 7. Day 8, 9, and today would be 10. Pretty much trying different seasonings on the food I'm eating. I'm not using any ketchup, no mustard, nothing like that. So it's pretty much just seasonings on what I'm eating. So pretty much eating a little bit higher quality food. So it's organic beef, organic bison, chicken, seafood, which includes like fish and shrimp. And pretty much for snacks, I've been making my own homemade beef jerky. I did buy some beef jerky at a local butcher shop, but I am making my own. Just for like a midday snack, it's nice to kind of chew on some beef jerky. So pretty much after day 7, hunger cravings kind of went away. Even today, I had a hamburger maybe around 9 o'clock and a chicken breast at like lunch. It's about 4:30 now in the afternoon. I'm not hungry at all. I feel completely full. So once you get over that hump of day, let's say 3, 4, 5, it starts to get easier after that. So we'll go ahead and jump on the scale, see if I've lost any weight, and give you an update on the 20th day. I'm at 220.2. So after 10 days, I lost somewhere around 6 pounds. Now, one thing I did want to mention is what I'm drinking. It's just strictly water and mineral water. There's no soda, no Red Bull, no alcohol, nothing like that. I did have 1 glass of milk like on the 3rd or 4th day. But other than that, just water and mineral water. Alright guys, see you in another 10 days. Alright guys, it's day 20 on the carnivore diet. I'm going to give you an update from day 10 to 20. And I'll jump on the scale, see what the weight loss is. Now from day about 10 to 13, I was getting super bored with food. Everything was tasting very bland. I'm not using any sauces of any kind, no ketchup, no mustard, no mayo, none of that stuff. So I had to start experimenting more with some different seasonings. Started using this kickin' chicken, a lot more on chicken, and even put it on some fish just to give some stuff a little more flavor. Now about day 15, energy level was just super low, probably the lowest I've had since I've started. So I did go to a health food store and picked up some of this chloroxygen. Now this actually oxygenates your blood cells, gives you a little bit of an energy boost. Take 2 of these in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. You don't want to take one later in the evening because it will keep you up a little bit. This stuff here really helped out with the energy level. And right around about the same time, started taking magnesium just to keep you a little more regular. And you're eating so much protein with steak, beef, and everything. Things just weren't moving through the way they should, so started taking 2 magnesium a day. Pretty much cured that. So here we are at day 20. I've got 10 days left. I'm gonna go jump on the scale, see what the weight loss is, then I'll come back at day 30, talk about day 20 to 30. 215.4. So weight loss has slowed down a little bit, but I am feeling pretty good. Another thing I can tell you guys is I'm sleeping all night long, not waking up at all. I'm going to bed about 30 minutes earlier than I did before starting this diet. I think it's just because I'm a little more tired and have a little less energy at night. But I am sleeping all night long, getting a very good night's sleep. See you guys in another 10 days for another update. Alright guys, so day 30 on the carnivore diet is finally here. So for an update, from day 20 to day 30, no real noticeable change. Pretty much after about day 15, everything has stayed about the same. Eating the same foods, no exercise, energy was about the same. Once I started taking that chloroxygen, my energy level came up a little bit, so that stayed the same. No real issues other than for about the last 3 days I've been getting some muscle cramping in my legs and arms. Not sure if that's diet related, but that's just one thing I noticed. As far as anything else I've noticed, sleep habits, pretty much once I go to sleep at night, maybe around 8:30, 9 o'clock, I get up at around 4 a.m. I sleep all night long. I'd say I'm sleeping better than usual. Other than that, no real noticeable change. I did get some blood work done before the diet, and I did get blood work done today. I want to do a video on that separately, so you guys can check that out if you want. I'm also going to do a video and I'm going to show all the different foods I've eaten, mostly from Costco, high quality organic foods. All been pretty good. Like I said, I had to get a little bit more involved in seasonings and stuff because the food was getting a little boring. Other than that, I'll go ahead and jump on the scale. So we'll see where my weight loss is after this 30-day carnivore diet. And then, like I said before, I'm going to do a video once I get my blood test results back, and I'll do a video on all the food I've ate. So I'll go ahead and jump on the scale. So if we look at the scale, we're at 206.2. So total weight loss on the carnivore diet for me for 30 days was right around 20 pounds. So I'm not a nutritionist or a dietitian. This is just an experiment I tried to lose a little weight before vacation coming up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.